Hi and welcome. My name is Johnna. I want to share some misconceptions with you. Um, I am a high level empath. I am a medical intuitive. I am an audio clairvoyant. I used to call it I hear and feel all sounds at once. And it was very challenging for me to figure out how to not only have a life, but actually like be in my body, feel my body, and be happy and healthy as a high level sensitive being. So if you're a high level sensitive person, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. And I tried all different kinds of tools and techniques that people would share with me in order to protect yourself, or I don't know, do all these things, but nothing worked for me. And I was on a mission to figure out what was really going on and how I could learn to live in my body and feel amazing in my body and empowered in my body, because I actually wasn't, for many years, able to do that as I am now. And I went to many schools, many teachers. I've sat with many masters, and I am so incredibly grateful. I've had the opportunity to learn so much. And what I learned was a lot of the information out there that we were being taught isn't actually true. And it doesn't even really work. It doesn't really work because it isn't really true. As a high level empath, you are here to do amazing things. And we've been told that you'll never be able to like live in your body or be in your body and feel empowered in your body, and I don't know, all these things that we've been taught that that you're gonna just feel miserable for the rest of your life and all that shit. It's not fucking true. It's not true. There are ways that you can live in your body, be in your body, and feel happy and healthy and amazing and create the life that you desire. So like I said, it's been so many years ago now, though, I struggled with that, with not having clarity, with not knowing my life purpose, with not being able to figure out how to live a life. It was so incredibly challenging for me. And I was determined. I was very determined that I will find a way. And when I find that way, I am going to share it with others, because it is ridiculous, in my opinion, to live in this life and not have the life that you desire, or not live your life purpose, and not be in your body and be able to be happy and healthy and radiant and vibrant in your body. It doesn't really matter how old I am, but I'm over 50 years old, and I'm stronger, I'm more flexible, I have more endurance, more resilience. I feel like I'm like really young. I do things that you wouldn't even believe. I don't even believe it sometimes. No, I'm kidding. I do believe it. Anyway, I want you to feel like this in your body. I want you to feel empowered in your body. My desire is to help you make incredible breakthroughs so that you can live the life that you desire, feeling empowered and thriving in the process. So I want to share with you all the things, all the misconceptions. I'm going to be teaching you things that you probably haven't heard about, and teaching you how to connect with your soul, connect with your guides, your team. I'm going to teach you how to learn how to ask the right questions. I'm going to teach you how to train your mind, and we're also going to be clearing all kinds of things that are energetically blocking you from really feeling the way that you want to feel inside your body and be able to create the life you desire. So we are going to be healing past lives, clearing all kinds of low frequencies, entities, realigning, upgrading your body and your life in a huge way. It's going to be lots of fun. It's going to blow your mind, and I'm really excited to share it with you. It's going to be a very small group live Zoom class, and I'd love to have you. Please let me know soon. Also, we need to make sure that you're an energetic match for this particular class, so I'd really love it and appreciate it if you could reach out soon so we can figure out if that is, if we're the right fit for this class at this particular time. So I'm going to have all the details below, and I just want to send you all my love and my light and just wish you the most amazing, beautiful day and beautiful life filled with love and laughter and health and vitality and all that you dream of. So thank you so much for listening. Sending you all my light and all my love and blessings.